We are sharing some brand new products available in the shop with today's release. We have a cupcake shaker die, super cute. So I am going to put this together, do some ink blending, and make a super cute card. We also have a Baker's Dozen slimline paper pad. Now this paper pad measures 3.5 by 8.5. We have 12 designs in here, and it's really cute. So we've got cherries and this really pretty red check, and then this beautiful green. It's like a lime green, some cupcakes, some faux glitter. There's that pattern in pink, a really pretty pattern here in red and white. We've got cherries with the pink background, that pretty green, some pink and a faux glitter. Almost looks like a granite. We've got some mixing spoons and a whisk and a pattern, a lovely pink, and then our patterns are going to be repeating here. Now you can cut your pieces out with white cardstock and color them, or cut them out with designer paper. So I've done both, and I just wanted to show you how this gets put together. So we have a cupcake base. We have the cupcake liner, which is fun to cut out in some pattern paper. We can glue that right on top. And then we've got the cupcake whipped topping, the shaker part. So I've cut it out 3 times so I can create some height. So we can fit in some glitter or some kind of shaker material. I also cut out the inside with a piece of plastic. I'm out of acetate, so I just used some packaging. That's going to fit right here on our top piece. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that. I'll put that to the side to dry, and let's layer up these 3. And that's going to fit right here on top of our cupcake. Now before we add this, we can color up this part here brown, or whatever color you want your cupcake base to be. I should have colored it up before I added the wrapper, but I wasn't thinking. So I'm going to get a small brush out. I'm going to use Antique Linen Distress ink. And I'm just going to add this color. And I'm going to add a little bit of tea dye to the edges. So this is going to be right there. And then there's this piece here you can use to add on the inside if you wanted. So I'm going to use this as a guide. So add a little glue to the back of this. Line this up exactly where you want it, and then pop in your insert. Now we can add the top layer. And we'll just line that up, and then I'm going to add glitter on the inside. I'm going to let this dry so none of the glitter sticks on there. So while that's drying, I'll show you the muffin. This is a little muffin top that you can add to your wrapper and create a little muffin. You can also add some whipped cream to the top if you want it. So for this one, I could have added this piece here, and then the little top right there, so you can layer it up really cute and color and cut this all out with colored cardstock. There's different ways to put it together. Just use your imagination. There's also a hooray sentiment. I cut it out in white and also in this faux glitter, And I'm just going to layer it a little offset so there's a little shadow. So I'm just offsetting it just a little bit to get a nice little shadow going. There's also an exclamation point, so you could do the same with this and just offset it just a tad. There's a little banner, so I cut it out 3 times so I could use this as a cute little element on the top of my card. We've got some hearts in different sizes, so a larger one and a smaller one. We have a balloon, and I cut it out 3 times in different colored cardstock. I also cut it in white. And then this is the balloon string. Pop that inside out. So you can have the, multiple balloons on your card. There's a little star. I cut that out in white. And then there's another tinier heart. And you can see you could cut it out in colored cardstock for a different look. So those are your parts. So let's grab some glitter. Okay, I'm going to pour my glitter. And just keep some glitter in the center. And I push all my glitter to the center. There's a little red one in there that I don't want. Okay, I'm going to add my top. And I'm going to let that dry before I shake it. Now I have some different choices. I could add a big heart to the top. I could add the smaller one. So I'm going to go with the big one. And I'm going to pop that up with a little pop dot. So I'll add this right to the center there, right at the top. That little heart would look really cute with lots of glitter on it. So there's my little shaker. So now we have these cute little balloons that we could have behind our little cupcake. And then we have a hooray sentiment and some little banners. So let's go ahead and finish up this card. The paper that I've used is the Gingerbread House paper pad. Just adding on my first layer, leaving a white border. I'm going to add a coordinating paper across the side. I think I'm going to do the gold that matches the sentiment. Okay, I also have this in this solid that matches the background. I'm going to layer this one on first. My cupcake's going to rest on this panel. I'm going to put a peel-off sticker in between. Okay, now we can add our circle. I left room at the top for my little banners, or I can add them here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to add them at the top of my card, and I'm going to cover up the white at the top. Okay, so now my cupcake is going to rest right here at the bottom. Let's kind of arrange where I want my balloons. See, I want one, probably 2 on this side since we have flat banners on that side. And let's add solid over there. Our hooray will be right there. I can pop up the balloon, which I think I should pop up the balloon. So I'm going to go ahead and add some foam tape to the back. Okay, so I'll pop up my balloon right here. And let's add some more balloon strings. I want my balloon right about there. Let's add our other balloon string. And pop on our sentiment here. And I'm going to pop up my little shaker piece. Okay, my little cupcake is going to rest right here at the bottom. Oh, I forgot about the exclamation point. I think I'll just leave that off. I would have moved it over a little bit. Let's see, I have this cute little heart. I can add that right there. Now for our finishing touch, I want to add a little bit of stickles around my little frame. So here's how the card turned out. Super adorable. Love the stickles on the edge. Cute little shaker. What an adorable die set. I will have the links in the description box for you. If you want to check out the shop, we have lots of new items. And I will see you real soon. Thanks so much for stopping by and take care. Bye guys.